Good morning. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the theme statement algorithm for today's assignment. All right, so we are looking, I'm on my tablet just because I have better sound quality for these tutorials. So your Canvas page may look slightly different, but if you scroll down to Thursday, you will see the week 8 poem theme assignment. You will click on that. Your learning target is that you can apply what you know about theme and write a theme statement draft based on your answers to the interactive questions below. Okay, so just as a refresher, here at the bottom of the page, we have already covered this earlier in the semester, but I wanted to show this to you just to remind you that themes are not one word. I'm at the bottom of the assignment. If you preview that attached PDF, this is how you write a theme statement. Now, I have converted this to an algorithm. I wrote a little snippet of Python code, and so when I go back, that's what you're looking at in the trinket window. So what you will do is, given your poem Shake the Dust by Anis Morjani, you will just type in the answers. If you need to refer to your PDF, you're welcome to. If you would like to complete that PDF first, then you are certainly encouraged to do that as well. So basically, the poem, the genre is poem, title is Shake the Dust, by author is Anis Mojani, is about, and here you want your abstract topic, and reveals that you need to make some kind of assertion about human nature. All right, so the poem titled, I will type this in here on my iPad, Shake the Dust. Now remember, please, when you give the title of a poem or any shorter work, poem, painting, song title, short story, you would signify that with quote marks. So I'm going to do that. Always initial caps for your titles. Whoops. Shake the Dust, close quote. Hit enter. Here you will input the author's name, Anis Mojani. Double check and make sure always to spell the author's name correctly, of course. Notice that the first time you refer to an author, you always include the full published name. If we refer to this later in our analysis, then it's preferable for you to use the last name only, never the first name. All right, hit enter. Is about. So here's where you need to sort of land on the abstract topic of the poem. We've already answered that question in the discussion post and reviewed it. So it's about embracing life return. What does the theme suggest about human nature? We need to learn to embrace our differences in order to ... and you'll finish that sentence. Hit enter, and then the algorithm will spit out your complete thesis statement. Now, it will spit it out with a little bit of extra punctuation marks. That is just some coding that is beyond me, but you're going to want to take that Frankenstein draft sentence and rewrite it, making all the corrections you need to write, and you'll enter that in the text box below. So this does not give me student view because I'm on my tablet, but you'll press submit. You can copy and paste that little bit of Franken sentence that is inside the parentheses right here. And then polish up your language, make that sentence work before you hit submit in the text box. Okay, I hope that clarifies this little new algorithm. This algorithm allows me to give you sentence stems and allow you to sort of input your answers and build a complex theme statement without you struggling with the blank page. Okay, I hope that was clear. Let me know if it wasn't, and I will see you soon. Bye.